in today's world, there are many institutes that make fake promises of 100% placement. So, how does Analytics Avenue approach placements differently?
Okay. Unlike other brands or universities, we never give 100% placement fake promises. Imagine when you get a proper knowledge, job opportunity will automatically knock you down. How we stand unique among the crowd is we are teaching our own strategies. We are making you to recreate the projects, whatever we have worked. We customize your resume. We customize your portfolio into 9 secret engines. Automatically, your resume gets shortlisted. You get automatic job calls. Secondly, through the various HR contacts we have, regularly we'll be giving them the resumes, and that is how we create opportunities. Thirdly, we have our own IT wing, advanced analytics, through which, based on the sectors they are from, they'll get opportunities, and you can see wide spectrum of opportunities into various domains: e-commerce, biotech, automobile, and many other. We will make them well equipped to get their resume shortlisted in their own domain. That is how we help people to get organic job calls with the internal and external opportunities.
Right. So, if you want to be a part of the nationwide training and placement program, or if you want to elevate your business, then sign up.